Alright, you guys, so I am so excited about my most recent purchase. This is a brand I've definitely been using a lot through my new mom journey, and it's the Momcozy brand. And this right here is going to be their M5 breast pump. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you guys, and I'm also going to be telling you guys all the details, and I am really excited about this. I've been breastfeeding for 5 months. My baby just turned 5 months yesterday. So breast pumps have definitely been a crucial part of my breastfeeding routine. I nurse and I pump. So having great pumps are definitely important. So let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing. So first of all, I love that it came sealed. So that way I know no one else has tried my purchase out before I got it. So it is literally wrapped up in plastic. So I love that it came in that secured packaging. I really do appreciate that. And so I'm gonna go ahead and take off all the plastic and let's see what is inside. All right, packaging is super cute too. So I went ahead and started unraveling the plastic. Alright, so before we jump in, you guys, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of details about this pump. And the reason why I chose this pump is for the reviews. The reviews were phenomenal, pretty much 5 stars and almost like 5,000 reviews. I got it on Amazon. As I mentioned, I love the Momcozy brand. I have a lot of products from Momcozy, and the other wireless pump that I use is the Momcozy S12. So I do use that. I like that. I don't have anything negative to say about it, but I was just looking for something that was even better. So that's why I decided to upgrade to the M5. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get into it. So it actually just slides out. Okay, they do have it really snug in here. Hang tight, you guys. I'm gonna set you guys down. All right, you guys, I'm so excited about this new pump. So let's go ahead and get this open. I'm literally holding my baby at the same time I'm trying to open this because he needed some love at the moment I was filming this. Let's see. All right, open. It's feeling like Christmas. Oh, how cute. All right, so this is the case. And let me tell you guys how excited I am about this, because I do pack everything in my baby bag, including my pump, so that way when I'm out, I can pump a bottle, because sometimes it's not as easy to nurse when I'm out. So I love being able to pump a bottle while I'm on the go, whether I'm grocery shopping, running errands, his doctor's appointments, anything like that, even the park. I love having my pump with me, but I never had a case for my last pump. So I'm super excited that this one actually came with a case. So already I'm impressed by that. Oh, and it has a little handle. Okay, all right, let's get into this. Oh, this feels so nice already. Okay, you guys, look how cute. So it comes with a handle. Some nice smooth material. All right, you guys, so let's get into it. And that is JoJo in the background. All right, you guys, so let's get into it. Alright, so when you open it up, it looks just like this. So we got some wires, we got some products. Also, just by looking at this, I love that I could actually keep more stuff in this. Like, I could even keep diapers over here. Like, if I didn't want to take my whole baby bag, I could put some diapers over here, a couple wipes. So let's open this part first. Let's see what we got. So we have this right here. So this is obviously going to be used to charge the pump, and then of course you can use it for your other devices as well if they're compatible. So we got that. We have another one. Is this identical? Oh, I guess it's one per pump. My baby is trying to eat my arm right now. He's teething. Alright, so we got 2 of these. I love that. So you can charge them both at the same time, I'm assuming. Alright, so let's zip that back up. What else do we have? Alright, so over here we have a couple different packages. Let's just get everything out. Okay, we don't want to take that out, especially be careful with babies, so make sure you throw that away immediately. We have a manual right here. User manual. And we have this is what I'm excited about, you guys, because I have never measured my nipples before, and I've heard, I belong to a couple mom groups that pump and breastfeed, and I've heard that that can make a huge difference in how much milk you're getting out if you're using the right size. So I'm actually super excited about this. This is the nipple measure tool, so I'm super excited about that. We have some installation guidelines, so putting it together. It may be similar to my other pump, but I'm still gonna look through everything that came with it. So we have that, and then let's see what's inside of these. All right, so the first one, you guys, I want to say, and I'll correct myself later if I'm wrong, I want to say this is called the flange. So I think these are the ones that are different sizes. Oh yeah, that's definitely a big difference. So that's that size. We have one that's that size. Alright, and then, oh, okay, then we have this. I think this is called the duck. I notice when I'm ever like missing this, when I'm pumping, like there's no suction. So that's super important. And then we have one more in here. Yeah, I think these are all just different size flanges. So we have that. That's everything for that package. And then we got one more. So yeah, I'm thinking these are gonna be all the sizes. I love that they even thought about this, because if this helps me get more milk, you guys, I'm all about that. Okay, and then this is the second pack. Oh, I'm guessing there's some matching ones. That makes sense, guys, right? So that if you, once you find your size, you have one for each pump. So maybe that's what this is. So it might be 3 different sizes. 6 altogether since you have a double pump. Alright, so we'll put those together. That is it for that. Okay, you guys, I wanted to go back to the details on Amazon. So it comes with a 17, a 19, and a 21. And then I want to say, yep, the flange is already in it as a 24. So you have a 7. All right, so let's get into the actual pump. So they're safely tucked over here. I'm so excited about having a double pump, you guys. Because normally with my S12, I do 30 minutes on each side. So I do an hour essentially with my pumping. So to have 2, I want to save so much time. So it has this cover on the back. I'm pretty sure this is if you want to store the milk like and just not pour it in a bottle immediately. You can just keep it with the cover on it. Alright you guys, so this is what the actual pump looks like. It comes in multiple colors. I got quail gray, but it also comes in lilac, there's a mint green, and also a cozy red. There is your charging port on the side. And I can see it already has another duct, and I guess that's the flange inside. So it comes with a lot of parts. And I love that this, I can actually read it right now. When I tell you with my S12, it took me so long to actually realize it was measurements on the side because they were so like hard to see. I really never knew it was there until after a while. So I love how easy that is to see. So I can tell after I take it off my boob how much I pumped. And then you have your cover on the back. Alright, let's go ahead and take that off. Alright, so that's how that looks. It does look really comfortable. So this part, you guys, just pulls right open. So, and this is so crucial when you use these type of pumps. You always want to make sure it's sealed good. So this one says it has a double seal. This is how it looks when you pull it apart. So you can see on here it says this one is a size 24. So I'll be definitely measuring to see what size fits me best. I just want to give you guys an inside look. This is how this part looks inside. And then let's see how easy it is. Oh, they literally have a seal right here. So let me take that off. Look how new everything is. All right, and just one more on this side. Alright, and let's see how easy it is to take the top part off. Just the motor. Okay, so perfect. It just pops right out. And they show you the right way to align the flange. So this is what the actual collection cup looks like. And then this is your motor. So I'm really excited about this pump, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Like I mentioned, I got this on Amazon. It retails for $1.99 for both pumps. You do have the option to only buy one pump, and I'm not against that. That's what I did for my first one for my S12 because they are pretty pricey. But now I realize having the ability to pump both boobs at the same time is going to save me so much time and also help me get more milk for my little one. So I'm super excited about this, you guys. If you guys have already used this, definitely comment below. Let me know your experience and be on the lookout for a review once I try it out. All right, thanks guys for watching. See you next time.